We just created, oh, sorry, I just created a static website which contains my resume on Amazon S3 buckets. If I go here, let's go to S3, my S3 buckets. Okay, so if I go to properties, you can check how I created a static website on the previous video. The link is up there. So this is the link that was generated for me. So it's not yet a secured website, and I've not transferred it to a domain, or at least I can be able to access it with this generated link by Amazon. So this is my landing page website, my resume. Wow, you can see as a static website. You can see I created this, though I got my template from stats bootstrap.com. So I was able to modify and edit it using the HTML platform. So these are my stuff. So the next thing I want to do now is to secure this website and also get a domain name that can be easily accessible worldwide on Amazon. So let's do that quickly. Go to Route 53. So I want to purchase a domain that will be usable with my new created static website. So the first thing I want to do is to register a domain. Let me check if there's one available for the domain again. So I'm checking. So I have volley.oyoniga.com available at $12 per year. So I'll just click continue. First name is Bowali, last name Oyoniga, organization is not applicable. My email address, my phone number, okay. Continue. Okay, so check this. Let's check our email. Let's see whether it is sent. So I'll go to Gmail, my Gmail account. Okay, I have one. So I'm going to click this. I'm going to go back. But let's wait for this to load. Okay. So my email has been verified. Going back to refresh the status. So I've been verified. Complete the order. Close. Close. So go to my domain. So I have a domain wale.com. So hosted zone. Sites. So I have this already. I need to come to the hosted zone. See this traffic into my notepad. Then you tab the register domain. So I don't know after the folder. So that's they're not same. Our website. Let's go to AWS certificate manager. So I want to request the certificate. So we are requesting a certificate, which is a public certificate. So we have so we can have it as name, website, value. Let's add another one. That's www. Okay, so um, yep, let's request. So we have bowaleuniga.com issued, Amazon issued. Let's enter. Okay. Let's see this. Let's go to CloudFront to create a CloudFront distribution. So create this. So the origin would be, let's go to S3 so that we can have as our S3 buckets. S3 buckets. S3. S3. Let's go to S3 buckets, and from there we want to copy. So this is where our website is being hosted. So go to properties, look at the sites. So this is a website. We'll copy this. Then go to your cloud front. These are cloud fronts. Paste it there. So that's what we have. This can be optional. This S3 bucket that we want to use. That's fine. Don't want this. Okay, what else are we going to choose? Okay, we want to change this to direct HTTPS. Then something else we need to ensure is content. Okay, certificates. We are setting up. We are using the custom SSL certificate that we created previously. That's where we're going to use for now. Just leave it as recommended. Default routes will be index.html. Yeah. Okay, there's one more thing. Alternate. Yeah, we have to add this, which is so what else are we adding? That's all for now. Let's check. Yeah, I think we are good. So let's create. So now we have, it's going to take a while for this to create, like some minutes still deploying. While this is deploying, let's go to our route 53, route 53 hosted zone. In this hosted zone, we want to add an alias of the cloud we just created. So select this, then edit. Want to okay, let's go back. Okay, create record. Let's create record. Sorry, and we have it as alias. So turn on cloud distribution. Then select this. Let's check. Let's confirm the sources should be. So this is the deploying. So we have to wait. So issue 5. It's okay. It's the same thing. It's the same thing here. So let's record. Yes. Okay, let's go back. Let's delete this. Created one for the simple. So let's just delete this and let's see. Let's record. Okay. So we want to create for the CloudFront, which is very important to what we are doing. Yes, we have it created. So we have it created. Yeah. So our platforms, let's see if this has been deployed. Okay, I think it's working. Let's try this. Yes.